In the capital of Malmö of the Swedish county of Scania, Dr. Thor Alvegard continues to tackle the complex challenge of curing cancer at the nearby Lund University, where he retired from teaching as a medical professor. Surrounded by advanced biotechnology companies in Malmö, he works with the university's Department of Clinical Sciences to evaluate and research the latest developments in surgery, oncology, and clinical immunology. Dr. Alvegard is primarily a cancer epidemiology scientist and is renowned for his achievements in researching prognostic factors in soft tissue sarcoma, high-dose chemotherapy, bone marrow transplantation, and total body irradiation. Dr. Alvegard is both a medical doctor and a doctor of philosophy, combining clinical treatment with scientific research. He earned an MD in 1968 from the Free University of Berlin, a classical research institution funded by the German federal and state-level governments. Dr. Alvegard went on to earn a PhD from Lund University in 1989. Lund University is a prestigious Swedish institution which boasts a proud tradition of scientific advancement. Since its founding, it has produced over 300 years of medical research. Today, Lund University is well known for hosting the developers of the artificial kidney, along with many other scientists in its numerous laboratories and research facilities. Not long after he matriculated with the university, Dr. Alvegard joined Lund University's halls of higher learning as an assistant professor. From 2000 to 2008, Dr. Alvegard served as Director of Cancer Epidemiology with Lund University. Drawn from the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates himself, who originated the Hippocratic Oath, the field of epidemiology studies patterns in sickness. Epidemiologists analyze copious amounts of information, from the pathological causes of disease to the spread of illness in large populations. By networking with other physicians, Dr. Alvegard is able to monitor large groups of patients and arrive at working theories as to why cancer behaves as it does, eventually discovering ways to stop it in its tracks. In March of 2017, Dr. Alvegard was part of a team that published a study 25 years in the making. They evaluated the Scandinaviansarcoma Group Central Register to determine its effectiveness in the identification and treatment of soft tissue sarcoma, a group of cancers associated with human bones, fat, and muscle. Dr. Alvegard's work has been primarily with the Swedish population and efforts to identify the causes and patterns of cancer within Sweden. In 2016, Dr. Alvegard worked with other researchers to evaluate whether needle biopsies could spread the cancers they were intended to diagnose. Ultimately, they found that the procedure did not spread tumor cells of a certain type of stomach and intestine cancer, giving cancer doctors the go-ahead to continue the tests. Many of Dr. Alvegard's research findings are relevant to his own research in cancer treatments. Sarcoma, for example, is often located deep in the patient and may require surgery, comprehensive chemotherapy, bone marrow replacement, or any combination of treatments. The difficulty with sarcoma is that even if the tumor is surgically removed, cancer cells can remain deep in the patient and recur as another tumor. Dr. Alvegard specializes in this type of cancer and has worked with international groups to further the understanding of such deep-seated tumors. Notably, he continues to serve as a board member and economic advisor for the Scandinaviansarcoma Group. Formed in 1979 by Scandinavian physicians and scientists to target cancers in connective tissues, the Scandinaviansarcoma Group is a strong coalition of leading oncology experts. In addition to tracking the incidence of cancers in Sweden, it provides comprehensive treatment protocols for physicians, helps run clinical trials, and assists in funding for vital cancer research. In 2011, Dr. Alvegard published the results of an international effort between the Scandinaviansarcoma Group and the Italian Sarcoma Group. After 5 years of observation, the collaboration offered strong evidence that high-dose chemotherapy, followed by stem cell treatments, effectively helped a vast majority of patients recover from non-metastatic Ewing family tumors. The research provides a beacon of hope for its patients suffering from cancers that were previously difficult to treat. It also offers improved recovery from the treatment of chemotherapy itself, which has become known as an infamously harrowing experience for patients. Dr. Alvegard has also served with an international physician group in Chicago, the Connective Tissue Oncology Society, from 1999 to 2002. He continues to be a member of the organization in addition to collaborations with the European Musculoskeletal Oncology Society in Amsterdam and the American Society of Clinical Oncology based in Alexandria, Virginia. Though Dr. Alvegard has dedicated his time to the pursuit of medical education and cancer research, he has also found meaning in creating new life as the father of Tatiana Moretti. As an internationally respected oncology expert, he has come to enjoy the finer aspects of travel. Additionally, Dr. Alvegard loves to swim.